What's up, guys? What's going on? It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. But this day, taking a ride, as you guys can see from the title, going to check out the flip property, which is pretty much about 99% done. I'm gonna, show you guys how that's going and everything that's taking place with that. Took the M3 out today. It's a nice day. It's about 87 degrees. So, took the M3 out today to stretch his legs. It's always fun to drive this car. But today I got my pops with me. So, there you go right there. Say hello, Don.
Hello.
Yeah, so this is first time on camera, first time on a YouTube camera. Told him I'm, shooting a video, documenting all of this, as I always do for you guys. But since he's in town visiting me for a week, and figure, take him over there, show him the place, because, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be doing this kind of stuff anyway, because all the skills actually came from him. He's the one that, taught me pretty much all the building skills that I got, because he used to build every and anything.
Definite.
Yep.
It's true.
Yeah, so and I was little. He was masonry. He was building everything. I seen him build all kind of stuff. So naturally, as I grew up, I wanted to start building too. So you guys have seen a lot of the things I've built. This particular house, I don't have that much hands-on. I don't have that much hands-on this particular house. Because this one is like probably about 50 minutes from my home, and I just didn't have time to always visit it. But the workers have been doing an amazing job, and I'm taking you guys there. We're gonna check it out. See you guys as soon as we get out the car.
So if you come in at night time, how you don't know?
This one step will take you out.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. Woo, that's nice. Didn't know that was there. Got the fireplace with the shiplap going all the way up. Going all the way up to the ceiling. Nice electric fireplace. We got our luxury vinyl. Got the island with the stove in the center. Got the countertop. I believe this is quartz. It looked like quartz, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe it was quartz that we had ordered. New cabinets and fridge. Perfectly slotted in with the vent space on top. You can see high-rise ceilings. Nice lights over the stovetop, going all the way up to the ceilings. And then we got, the back door. So this is the back door to the deck, and the guys are finishing up the deck in the back there. You can see, nice little private deck. Gonna have the stairs going down to the back of the garage. Let's go around to bedroom number one. Bedroom number one in here. Got the HVAC all in. Real nice and cool in here. So it's a very small closet, but it's a closet, right? And because it's a closet, and it got a light too, so it counts. It has a light. It has a door. So it counts as a closet. And that is, I don't know what you want to call that. A little space that just needs to be closed up top. But, nice little cozy room for somebody.
Yeah.
Got LED lights all throughout the whole place. Come around the bedroom number 2. We got something someone spilled on the floor. Because I don't know what they spilled there, but luckily the floor is not damaged. But you know, got the LED lights, LED flat lights. You can see the backyard from here, which we're gonna go back there in a few. Tell you guys about the backyard. There goes the deck. Bigger closet than this one. Look like there'll be some storage space back there that has to be closed up. But that's a much bigger closet. Standard size doors. And bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is back here. So this is the master bedroom. Master bedroom with the fan. You can see the size is a lot bigger. You got window number 1, window number 2, and then come back 2 vents for HVAC. Come back here. Got the bathroom, the master bathroom, which is amazing. The quartz countertop. Got toilet. Oh, this is beautiful. Full shower in here. Get some lights on in here. Then we got to come back here. You got the step up, and you got the master closet. So this is the master closet, which, if some of you guys remember, this was a complete trash, this room. But now, this is a master closet, so this is definitely beautiful in here. Very big, very spacious for a closet space. Get some mirrors going on here. But bathroom is really nice. Really nice bathroom. Got that low noise vent up top. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh no, wait, that's not it yet, guys. We got the bathroom, the main bathroom. I forgot the main bathroom, so this is the main bathroom coming on the side. In the main bathroom, it looks like they're going to be putting laundry in here too, so this will be the laundry space. So you got the outlet for your dryer, water, so that'll be the laundry right over there. And then come over here, this is the regular bathroom, toilet, vanity, got the shower, stand-up shower with tiles going all the way to the top. Back there, that is beautiful. Yeah, this is really nice. I'll be right back inside, Daddy. I'm just going outside real quick. Alright guys, so let's go to the back. So, you know, they're still finishing up the front deck here. Come outside, they still got a little bit of siding these guys need to do, but as you can see, there's a whole garage here now. The whole garage was not here before, so it's enclosed now. You got to finish up the siding for right here, do some landscaping. There's going to be some landscaping done, but let's come around. I really want to walk through these tall grasses with, yeah, I'm not walking through these tall grass with my shorts on. This is the garage. Got the breaker out there. Just cover up in here, door. So you're gonna have the steps. You're gonna come off the garage. Step down and gonna come up. So basically access the house from the back door. Deck is all in. just need to be finished. Brand new HVAC. As you know, this entire house is pretty much 90% brand new. Brand new HVAC, water heater. Come underneath the crawl space. You know, all brand new HVAC system, lines and everything, plumbing. The backyard does go back a mile. I mean, it goes back a full acre. It's just that all these bushes are here, and a lot of this is going to be taken down. This landscaping is going to be done next week to finish that off. This is the siding up top. They just finished up off that, most of that. This landscaping, you know, get this all cleaned up, get some curb appeal going. Obviously dump all this rest of the stuff in a dumpster. They're gonna finish off this porch, you know, do some nice pieces for the porch. Gonna make this a really nice porch. As you can see, that's a very smaller house over there, about half the size. For an example, that house is worth $220. So this is a lot bigger. A lot nicer inside. I saw inside that other one. Did build some steps here, and that's really it. That's really it here, guys. All right, guys. So that's it for this house. Normally, you know, I would do this video at the 100% when this, you know, when the house is 100% finished. Like I do all my videos when the houses are 100% finished, but as I said, this particular house is about 50 minutes, you know, drive from my house, which is quite a distance for me to just come constantly. So more than likely I will not be back before the house goes up for sale, but everything will be done 100% within a week from the time that I'm actually making this video, and this house will be on the market. So if you are in the Atlanta, if you want to live on the West Atlanta area and you are digging the style of this house, all brand new and finished, like I said, this house was about 90% redone, then yeah, shoot me a message, let me know. You know, it's for sale right now. So, you know, there's nothing keeping me back from holding it up, putting it on the market, besides obviously some little things. But one of the last houses that I sold, it you know, it never made it to the market before it was sold. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the house. Let me know what you think about, you know, some of the designs. You're seeing it the same way I'm seeing it for pretty much almost the first time, with it being, you know, 95% complete. So I'm actually really digging the inside. Obviously the outside needs to be cleaned up, finished up, and niced up to give it that curb appeal. So we're not going to discuss outside yet, because I know that when the outside is done by next week, it's going to be 100% just like every other home. But yeah, guys, you know, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. See you on the next one. Peace.